We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, exactly when the price was in here, we mentioned how deep the price can go because we mentioned we want to see that if we get the reversal, we will take the trade. We have been looking for buy. And we mentioned we have been looking for the 0.17 following by 0.165 following by 0.159 as a support. All right, as we can see, the price exactly dropped to 0.159 and we see the reversal. That's why I mentioned if we get any trade for buy, we'll take it. And we have been looking to see the breakout of this zone, which is 0.189 following by 0.2. All right, and it moved more than what we expected, because if you move to higher time frame, we see the price already broke the previous top. We remove all this thing, lines. We move to daily weekly chart, and based on weekly chart, as we can, the price already broke all-time high. We get the new all-time high, which is somewhere around 26 to 27 cent. And again, we move to daily chart. Now, once it was the next, based on daily chart, the price broke the previous top, which we can refer to this two here and here. All right. And right now, if there is a continuation, the next level we're looking for is 28 following by 34 cent. All right, now the only question is, can we expect this correction turns similar to what we have here, and we will be within this flat for continuation? This is the only things we need to know, that there is a possibility this one turned to a deeper correction. All right, because if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we had the divergence, and as well here. All right, the only thing is right now we're looking at this correction. I don't think this one can be really deep, and there is a possibility this is the only correction, because right now the previous stop is acting as a support. The possibility of this one turns as deep as what we have here is very less, but we should know about that. All right, then any trade setup for buy from now, we'll take it. We're looking for 28 following by 34 cent. And if we move to forward chart, and right now we're looking at this one as a flat, as a 1, 2, 3. We want to see whether this is the start of the reversal, or this one can drop some more and retest the previous low. All right. And again, if I move to 1 hour chart, you want to see what we have based on 1 hour chart. Right now, how we can look for trade. First things, as what I explained based on forward chart, whether this is the start of the up move, or we can expect this one turn to flat as a 1, 2, 3, the price retest the previous low, we take the reversal. For sure, this one, it can give us better confirmation as usual, but we don't need to wait for this option. If we get any trade setup for buy from here, we will take it. And this is the levels we need to see the breakout, the previous stop and here, which is 0.236 flowing by 0.252. All right. That's mean if you get any opportunity for buy at this point, we're looking at this either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes, we will take it. But at the same time, so you should know about this flat before we get a reversal. If it's not moving, we are not going to keep the trade, and we should know about this possibility. Anyway, if we get any trade for buy from here, we will take it. At least we need to put our stop loss somewhere around 0.2. And the targets with the breakout of the previous top, which is all-time high 0.267. We're looking to see the breakout of the 28 following by 0.34. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.